Today I want to try this frame and it should be a great choice for fresh and traditional frames. I just need Wi-Fi and easy installation. I have instruction. So let's open this box and check it out.
The simple and modern design allows the frame to perfectly integrate into your home environment, whether in your living room, bedroom, or desk. It's not only a photo frame, but also a work of art that enhances the beauty of your home. You can easily upload and update photos through Wi-Fi connection, supports remote control with the mobile app, allowing family and friends to share moments anytime, anywhere. You can use the app to customize the slideshow, other background music and transition effects, wireless transmission, easy sharing, high-definition resolution display. That's the reason I like it and can recommend it for you. It's also an ideal gift for Christmas, birthday, or other special occasion, so I highly recommend and I'm sure you will like it too.